This is 15-minute time frame of gold. Price made bottom at 1895 during FOMC. After making intraday top at 1949, it is making a retracement. You can see how price making support on 38 50% retracement, and last is 61% retracement at 1915. The trend started from 1895 is bottom, or it is a trend reversal. 15-minute time frame does not give you information about that, so we will go to H1 time frame. This time frame give you clear answer. Price made top at 2070, then made bottom at 1895 during FOMC. Our first resistance is 1961 and support is 1879. If this low which was made during FOMC break, then next target will be 1879. If this is a retracement, then it will break 1950 and first target will be 1961. And our 50% retracement for this complete trend is 1982. If price goes above $2000 price level, that is near 61% retracement, then you can say it is a trend reversal and price is still bullish. So these three are strong support and resistance: 1880, 1960 and $2000. To get more information, we will go to daily time frame, and you can see the previous resistance 1960 and 1880 are making a strong support zone for gold price, and this support zone is near 38 and 50% retracement for this complete bullish trend. So this entire area is a strong support zone and buying level. Below 1880 we have this trend line support tested 3 times and 61% retracement at 1829. If you compare this daily time frame with weekly, then you can see the closing of weekly candle outside this resistance zone. If price make a support in this support zone between 1916 and 1880, then it can make a new higher high up to 2100 or 2200. So this week, this is your key support zone: 1960, 1880 and 1960 resistance. If you pay attention to news, then last week the conversation between US and China president, you can see news media of both country, China and America, say different thing. As an ordinary person, you cannot believe who is saying right, which is true and what is fake news. But one thing is clear: Cold War 2 is already started, and this week gold price will be depend on this Russia-Ukraine crisis. If we go back on daily time frame, then you can see the importance of this support zone. The tails of daily candle are testing the support zone, but closing is outside the support zone. After 38%, next target will be 50% retracement of this complete trend at 1873, and last would be 61% retracement. So this is your support zone and 1960 is your first resistance.